Yeah. Uncle JJ ain't for all that crying, is it? I let you cry. Ooh, now lean back. Now lean back. Now lean back. Now lean back. Whoa! Don't do that. Now lean back. Now lean back. JoJo. Boy, I hope you raise your mama so much hell, boy. I hope you the baddest little thing on 2 feet. I don't want to punish her. I want him to do it. Why do you want him to punish her? 'Cause, man. Nah. You had good son? What you mean? I had good sons when they were little. I thought it was bad.